Hi kids, and welcome to another session of Math with Miss NG. Today we would be looking how to convert a percent to a fraction. How do we go from 1/2 to 50%?
Mr. Krabs, I am so confused.
A percent is equal to a fraction. Yes, you heard me correctly. A percent is equal to a fraction. A percent is another way of representing a fraction with the denominator being 100. Let's look at a few examples. If I have 30% and we have to convert it to a fraction, it would equal 30 over 100. If I have 50%, the fraction would be 50 over 100. If I have 100%, the answer would be 100 over 100. I'm going to put a few more percentages and I want you to convert them to a fraction for me. I'll give you some time. I'm putting in the answers and you could let me know if you got them correct. If you did, congrats, you understood this part. Now, let's take a look at how to convert a fraction to a percent. To convert a fraction to a percent, we have two rules in which we must follow. Our first rule is to multiply that fraction by 100 over 1. Our second rule would be cross multiply and reduce if possible. Let's look at how to turn 1/2 into a percent. In order to turn 1/2 into a percent, we must multiply by 100 over 1. We are going to look at a number that can go both into the numerator and denominator. So we can say 2 into 2, 1, and 2 into 150. So our numerator would now be equal to 1 multiplied by 50, our denominator 1 multiplied by 1, giving us 50%, 2/5. So 2/5 multiplied by 100. And we're looking for a number that can go both into our numerator and denominator. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 100 would be 20. So you would have 2 multiplied by 20 and 1 multiplied by 1. When we say 2 multiplied by 20, that is going to give us 40 all over 1. In the event that a number is over 1, it's called a whole. So therefore, our answer would be 40%. How do we find a percent of a number? Let's look at this example. What is 20% of 40? Now remember, to turn a percent to a fraction, we have to put it over 100. So that's the first step. And we are going to multiply by the number over 1. So that is going to give us 40 over 1. If we look at this fraction, we can see that we have 2 zeros at our denominator and 2 zeros in our numerators. Therefore, we can cross out both of them. 2 multiplied by 4 as our numerator and 1 multiplied by 1 as our denominator. Therefore, our numerator would now be 8, whereas our denominator would be 1. That's it for today, guys. Remember to check in the description box below for assignments and worksheets. And also remember to like and comment. And don't forget our 5 S's. Share, stay home, stay safe, sanitize, and subscribe.